Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the success rate of IVF. This is the most important question which everybody has in their mind, and we as doctors face this question from almost every patient or every couple. So what is the success rate of an IVF cycle? So this particular question can never be answered generally. The success rate depends on number of eggs you have and the sperm quality and ultimately the number of embryos formed. If you have a good number of embryos, the success rate is definitely good. If the number of embryos are less, the success rate is definitely less. Some people think that if the age of the women is say less than 30, the success is good. Age more than 35, success is very less. That may be slightly true, but that is not the real case. Age is important, but at the same time, the number of eggs are more important. A woman with age 25 can have very less eggs, so the success may be less. Women more than 35 can have more eggs, so the success can be more. So the most important factor is here is the number of egg, that is the AMH level. If you have a good AMH, the success is very good. If you have a low AMH, the success is slightly lesser. If the AMH is very low, the success is again low. So what is this AMH? AMH stands for anti-Mullerian hormone. It gives an indication of number of egg. So for a success rate, the most essential thing is number of eggs. The next is the sperm. If you have a good morphology sperm, the success is really good. And next, the final outcome, the embryo. This is the most important deciding factor for a success rate. If you have a good number of embryos, you can select the best embryo and transfer it into the uterus, so the success is going to be good. If you have very less number of embryos, you cannot select an embryo and you have to transfer whatever embryo you have. So the success may be average. When your number of embryos are less than 2, that is 1 or 2, the success is again very low. And now the most important factor is that age, number of egg, number of embryos. In case the number of embryos are less than 3 or 2, what we advise is to go ahead with a frozen embryo transfer cycle. The success may be good. And next, coming to the success rate per se, when the age of the female is less than 30, the chance of success is more than 70%. When the age is more than 35, the chance is 50%. When the age is more than 40, the chance is only 25% with the own eggs. So age, number of eggs and the embryos are more important for deciding the success rate rather than age alone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have any questions, you can comment in this video or you can send an email at aishwarya.in@gmail.com, or you can contact us through our website, which is aishwaryafertility.com, which is mentioned in the video. Thank you.